Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back my YouTube channel. Welcome back. Friends, please subscribe my channel. Friends, do you feel my channel name is Tech Bradley Bradley YouTube channel? Tech Bradley Bradley. Friends, please subscribe my channel. Friends, video topic is very important topic. Friends, my channel name is Tech Bradley Bradley YouTube channel. Tech Bradley Bradley YouTube channel. It's very important topic. Video topic is introduction to business. Binance. Introduction to Binance. Video topics. Friends, introduction to Binance. Very important topics. Video topics. Friends, introduction to Binance. Very important topics. Friends, Binance is a cryptocurrency exchange where user may Friends, introduction to business. Binance. Introduction to Binance. Very important. Video topic. Introduction to Binance. Very important. Friends, Binance is a cryptocurrency exchange where users may sell and trade various digital assets such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and variety of other altcoins. Chains geo-stated in 7 and it has quickly grown to become one of the world's largest and most popular exchange. Binance has an easy-to-use trading platform. Chain space and varieties of operations include mineral trading and staking Binance Coin. This exchange native cryptocurrency and can also be used to pay for a training fees and other services. On the platform, overall Binance is a global tool for everyone interested in the trading cryptocurrencies, whether they are beginners or experienced traders. But if you are a beginner them before this Binance, at last you should have the experience in top 10 tracking project for beginner that can be benefit and can make you forever have better you understand about the Binance. Friends, check out the blog course get certificate by the expert. Service offered by Binance. Spot trading, 1 step spot trading, 2 steps margin trading, 3 step future trading, 4 step staking, 5 step saving, 6 step balance launch set, 7 step Binance Academy, steps 8 Binance Card. It's very important. This comprehensive platform Binance provides a wide range to put and research for cryptocurrency trade and investor. Furthermore, it offers wide range of service related to cryptocurrency trading and investing. Monoton Polu are some else service offered by Binance. Spot trading. Binance offers spot trading for wide range of cryptocurrency, allowing users to buy and sell assets at the current market price. Friends, Binance market trading. Binance offers margin training allowing users to trade with browse point, thus increasing not only their rate of potential profit but also their potential loss. Future Trading Binance trading platform for net users to trade cryptocurrency future contract with the largest. Hence Binance taking. Binance support taking for a number for cryptocurrencies allows user to earn reward for holding their assets on the platform. Saving spot trading. Binance offers spot trading for rank cryptocurrency allowing user for buy and sell assets. Binance Margin. Binance offers margin trading allowing user to trade with browse fund, thus increasing not only their potential profit but also their potential loss. Future Trading. Binance Future Trading platform permits user to trade cryptocurrency future contracts with large Binance staking. Binance support trading for number for cryptocurrency also user to earn reward for holding their assets on the platform. Saving 6. Binance support for number for cryptocurrency also user to earn reward of holding their assets on the platform. Saving. Binance offer range of saving product including flexible and fixed term saving account to permit user to earn interest on their cryptocurrency holding. Binance Launchpad. By availing this service, user can participate in individual coin offerings and other token sales. Binance Academy. Binance provides educational resources for those who are new to cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Friends, Binance Card. Binance offers a debit card that also user to spend their cryptocurrency at merchant and access. Friends, please subscribe my channel. Very important topics, video topics.